Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the vibrator motor on the Nintendo Switch left Joy-Con. Before starting, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which are listed in the description. First, undo 4 screws securing the cover. Next, gently use your fingernail or pry tool to lift and remove the cover. While separating, make sure to open gently to avoid accidental damage to cables. Next, disconnect the battery plug using a tweezer. Next, disconnect the vibrator motor plug from the board and gently pull out the not working motor from the body. Next, place the new vibrator motor and secure the plug into the board. Next, secure the battery plug. Use a tweezer to make the process easier. Next, snap the cover and secure 4 screws. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.